Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we are starting a new build, Porsche 917 code check from IXO Collections. First we have kit number 1. So in kit number 1 you get the hood, which is metal and very nice. Like so, and we get the left side door with the number 20 on it, and that is also looking good. And we get a screwdriver with the IXO Collections name on it, and looks like PHO. But now our main focus for today is one of the front headlights. First we're gonna take the small lens and install it like so, and here that just pushes in, and then we take this unit and that just slots in here and is held in with a BP screw. Like so. Then we take the silver ring and that slots in here. Finally that snaps in like so. Then we need to put the reflector in the lens. Like so. And that just slots in here. Like so. That is held in with a AP screw. Like so. And that is kit number 1 complete. Now we have the headlight assembly, the headlight cover, which will go on like this. I'm going to leave the plastic film on. And we have the hood and the left door. And now for kit number 2 we get the steering wheel and one wheel entire. First we take the steering column and the steering wheel. They are D-shaped, so just go like that with an AM screw. Like so. And then we take the center hub, center badge, and just push that in. And that is the steering wheel complete. Then we take the tire, and the inner rim, and the outer rim, and we line them up like so. And we use 3 BM screws. To hold them together. Like so. And that is the tire done. And that is kit number 2 complete. So here we have kit number 3. Then we take the upper stringer and this, and that is held in with a DM screw, like so. Then we take the metal hub carrier and that goes on like so with a CM screw, like so. Then we take the lower stringer and we need 2 brackets. They have a number 3 on them, and those go in like so with an EM screw. Like so. Then we need the bracket with number 2 on them, and this bottom column that uses a DM screw, like so. Then we take the bracket and put it like so with a BM screw, like so. And then we need this insert, put the insert in here and use a DM screw, like so. And then we take this bracket, put it on like that, and use a CM screw, like so. And then put these together like so with 2 BM screws. And if the metal screws seem like they are given a fight, it may be because I may have misplaced my bottle of oil. But I will find it. Like so. Then we need the bracket with number 1 on it, and this column, and that uses an EM screw, like so. We don't use the spring today. So now we just need to assemble the brake disc. These slotten like so. They just snap together and are held in with two CP screws, which are super tiny on my 00 screwdriver, like so. Then we need a brake disc that goes like so. That goes on this side. Just need to peel the backing like so, and see the curve goes like so. And that goes on this side. Like so. And on the other side the curve goes the opposite direction. Then I just take the backing off and align them like so. And that is kit number 3 complete. This is what we've done in kit number 3. Looking good. Now we have kit number 4. Here we have right side of the gearbox, which is metal and weighty. Even the flex disc is metal. First we need the housing and this bracket that goes on like so with a BM screw, like so. And then we need to assemble the CV joint. We take this end and the cross and use an FM screw on either side, like so. Then we need the other bracket and use 2 FM screws. So after a while we have one complete U-joint. Then we take another one and that goes into half of the flex plate, which is D-shaped and with an FM screw, like so. Then we put the other half of the flex disc in with 2 GM screws, like so. And we put the other shaft on here with 2 GM screws. Like so. And finally, this goes onto like so, and this held with a CM screw. And that is kit number 4 complete, and also box number 4. Here we have everything we've done in box 1. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.